Welcome to Updates Area YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the latest updates on stimulus checks for July 2023. There are a ton of important headlines to cover, so let's get started. First off, there's an exciting update on the possibility of monthly $1,000 checks for 3 years. The deadline to qualify is approaching, so it's crucial to see if you meet the requirements and determine your eligibility. Moving on, we have information on which states are sending out tax rebates during the summer. While the federal stimulus payments ended in 2021, several states have continued to provide their own stimulus programs. As of summer 2023, a few states are still distributing payments to eligible residents who filed within the specified deadlines. Let's take a closer look at some of these states and the details of their programs. In Idaho, 2 stimulus programs were introduced in 2022. The first program offered a tax rebate of $75 per family, or 12% of the household tax liability based on the 2020 tax returns. The second payment, known as the Special Sessions Rebate, amounted to $600 for joint filers and $300 for individuals, or 10% of the household tax liability. While most payments have already been made, there are still some lingering payments being processed for residents who filed their tax returns later. Illinois implemented 2 types of stimulus payments in 2022, which are extending into the summer of 2023. The individual income tax rebate and property tax rebates could reach a combined total of $700. However, due to the large number of payments to be delivered, over 6 million, the state expects the distribution process to take several months. Eligibility for the income tax rebate was based on 2021 adjusted gross incomes, AGIs, below $200,000 or $400,000 for joint filers. The tax rebate required payment of Illinois state property tax on the 2021 return and AGI below $250,000 or $500,000 for joint filers. The qualifying period for the main winter energy relief payment has ended, but eligible residents who haven't received their payments can contact the state tax assessor until June 30th to demonstrate their eligibility. Final payments for those who prove their eligibility will continue until September 30th, 2023. Massachusetts had a stimulus tax refund period that largely concluded. Eligible residents were entitled to a refund of approximately 14% of their 2021 state income tax liability. Payments began on November 1st, 2022, and have mostly been distributed. However, for those who have yet to file their tax returns, the deadline is September 15th, 2023. Once filed, they can expect to receive their refund in approximately 1 month. Montana stands out as the only state with new tax rebates scheduled for the second half of 2023. Residents may qualify for an income tax rebate, a property tax rebate, or both. The income tax rebate is determined as the lesser of the income tax on the state tax form, or $2,500 for joint filers, or $1,250 for others. The property tax rebate amounts to $500 for 2023 and 2024, or the actual amount of the property tax paid, whichever is less. Income tax rebates will be distributed from July until the end of 2023. To claim the property tax rebate, residents must file online or via mail between August 15th and October 1st, 2023. In New Mexico, 2 varieties of fresh rebates are being offered in 2023. The first is for individuals who file tax returns, while the second is for residents who aren't required to file. The rebate amounts are $1,000 for joint filers and $500 for single filers or those married and filing separately. The anticipated payment dates for these 2 rebates are mid-June and July of 2023, respectively. Lastly, at the federal level, there's an important stimulus check update for everybody in the nation. The IRS issued a final notice on the deadline for taxpayers to claim their 2019 tax refunds. It's crucial to act fast, as the window to apply closes in the next 6 days. Many people have missed out on significant stimulus provisions, with some refunds totaling as much as $6,557. This opportunity is available in every state, so make sure you don't miss out on these funds. In addition to the stimulus check updates, there's ongoing discussion and reform happening regarding Social Security. The year 2023 is expected to bring changes and updates to Social Security, including potential increases. Stay tuned for more information on this topic. Thank you for joining me, and remember to like, subscribe, and stay informed by watching the accompanying video for the latest updates.